Back. That's what we like to hear. We hope all of you have gotten inoculated at the bar tonight. We hope all of you have visited our merchandise booth. Alright, excellent. Now, at the League of S.T.E.A.M, your safety is our #1 concern. We want you guys to be safe. We have precautions like the loud alarm bell when the domestication collar stops functioning. And we have things like Rose, which has a fail-safe device for bad situations. Now Professor Yeager is here to tell us a little bit about that. Yay!
Alright, once again, I am Professor Yeager, and this is Rose. Now, I've explained to some of you what Rose is. Rose is a reanimate optimized search engine. She has been designed specifically with this card to go and reactivate the zombie's collar when it goes off. Because honestly, I don't want to go anywhere near a zombie that wants to eat my brains. However, we all know that Rose can deftly leap into action and quickly rewind the zombie's collar without any worry for any of us. But tonight we're going to do something different. We're going to have Rose handle 2 zombies. As you can see, the League has acquired yet another fabulous zombie that we are very proud of. Not quite in the condition of Zed, but still very nice nonetheless. Now, to really stir things up, we're going to make this a little bit more complicated. Now, those of you that have seen us do this demonstration before know that I am generally the zombie bait. We release the zombie from his collar, and we let him go, and he'll chase me until she quickly and deftly leaps in and resets his collar. However, like I said, we're going to stir things up a little bit tonight. We're going to get a couple audience volunteers to be the zombie bait. I'm going to take these 2 right here in front. And what is your name?
My name is Constance. I'm so excited.
And he just can't hide it. Bring you over here a little bit so everyone can see you. And what is your name?
Rana.
All right, Rana. I'm going to have you go right over here with this gentleman, and he's going to explain some safety things to you. And I'm going to have you go right over here with this gentleman, and he's going to explain some things to you. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is I'm going to activate the Rose. We're basically going to put her into standby mode. So the first time she hears the alarm go off, she is going to pounce on the nearest zombie and quickly and deftly maneuver it into submission and rewind its collar so that we are safe once again. Now to start this procedure, we first begin by showing you all Rose's backside. Now I know that some of you don't like this particular act, but believe me, it comes on a little bit more interesting later. With a single pull, we turn her off. That's all right, gets better.
Don't turn her off.
We'll open the slot accessory pack.
Open the slot.
We're inserting the card into the slot. And the good part that all of us like, with a single tug, I turn her back on again. That's right, ladies and gentlemen. Rose is now ready for action. And are our volunteers ready? How are we doing over here? Are you ready? Ready. Everyone's ready? All right, audience, are you ready? Release the zombies!
Oh God, no!
Now, everyone watch how quickly Rose springs into action. She pounces on him. Never a chance for him to get away. He's excuse me.
Oh my God! She did it! Oh my God! Oh my God! She did it! Yeah! Yeah, one out of two. Hey, Rose! Yeah!
Take care of that one. And Junior League Watch, come up here, please. We've got some very special guests here. The Junior League Watch. These are our eyes and ears in the field. They let us know about paranormal activity left and right. And they're here to tell you a little bit about how to tell if your friend may be a zombie. No, we last minute change of schedule right here. It's okay. They're just taking a moment to get set up. They were planning to do this a little later.
Rose, what you doing?
Yeah. Let's. Thank you.
Rose, wasn't she amazing?
Give it up for Rose one more time.
I heard those rules!
Junior League Watch, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah.
Yes. Hello. We are the founding members of the Junior League Watch, but we're sorry we're gonna have to put off zombie juggling for now.
You should have seen it. It was great. There was fire and swords and Zed did this thing with his nose.
Anyways, again, we are the Junior League Watch. I'm Coyote.
And I am Ella Copperbottom.
And tonight,
Apparently.
we're going to tell you about the 3 stages of zombification.
3 stages of zombification, or the 3 Fs as we like to call them.
We have
Fresh bite, freshly turned, and the final stage.
So, you think your friend's been bitten by a zombie? Let's check the symptoms. Is your friend vomiting bile, foam, or any other unknown bodily fluids? Do they have an open wound that's bleeding profusely, probably from the head or neck? Do they have a sickly complexion? Look around. Do any of your friends unusually pale?
These are all stages that one might see from a freshly bit zombie. But don't wait, if you catch your friend in time, there is hope. The League S.T.E.A.M has developed a shot which can cure the zombie virus.
Most of the time.
It can cure the zombie virus, preventing your friend from ever becoming the undead.
She's undead? Oh. Right there? Alright, well we're going to look at stage 2 to make sure it hasn't gone to the 2nd stage just yet. Alright. Is your friend a little bit more smelly than normal? Is your friend pale? Maybe even greenish?
Yes!
Are they a little impatient at the dinner table?
Yes!
Are they drooling uncontrollably?
Sometimes!
Do they have a hard time with complex verbs in a sentence?
Yes!
If your friend has reached the 2nd stage, freshly turned, I'm sorry, there's really no hope per se. Your friend is a zombie, you can't save them. But if you can deliver your friend to the League of S.T.E.A.M in time, using their superior gadgetry and technology, your old friend can be your new zombie butler.
And you can still have tea. Yeah. So, stage 3, the final stage, or full zombie.
The grossest, sickest, most unfortunate stage.
Anyways, so, the symptoms of full zombie. Have the eyes glossed over, emitting a strong, noxious smell. Are they having strong, violent outbursts? Are limbs or extremities just falling off? If so, your friend is a full zombie.
If your friend reaches the full zombie, I'm sorry, there's nothing you can do. There's only one way to deal with a full zombie.
Take his head off!
It's best to leave such a messy situation to the League of S.T.E.A.M. But you guys don't have to worry about that, right? You had your inoculation drink? Well, let's just make sure. Get another one! Again, we are the Junior League Watch.
And remember, if you want to help the league, join the watch.
Memberships are available at the merchandise table. You get a patch and a membership card with that. Barry, take it away.
Thank you so much, Junior League Watch. We really appreciate your service. Here's another member right there. Who else is a member of the Junior League Watch? That's what we like to see. The Junior League Watch is important to us. You are our eyes and ears in the field, and sometimes noses. We need you. Sign up at the merchandise booth tonight for a discount. Next we have how to treat a recent zombie bite. It's a little bit of a change in the program, but I'm sure it'll be very enjoyable, so stick around in just a few minutes.